Start. Facts of the case of prosecution in brief are that accused Ramkumar Singh is a public servant. Being junior engineer, he did not perform his duties as per orders of Honorable High Court in WPC number 4582 2003. An inquiry was conducted against engineers and officials of MCD to prove their nexus with builders and political bosses. During inquiry, a complaint was filed by Sri Sanjay Dubey, Inspector CBI, and present case was registered. It is case of the prosecution that accused number 1 was posted as JE in ward number 71, 72, Sahadra South Zone during the period 10/8/2004 to 1/8/2005. It is alleged that in the charge sheet that accused number 1 entered into criminal conspiracy with accused number 2 and knowingly had not taken any demolition action at premises number D15 and B53 Sakarpur, Delhi, causing pecuniary gain to accused number 2. Accused number 3, associate of accused number 2, unauthorizedly constructed 4 flats in the left portion of plot number B53 Sakarpur without sanctioned plan and sold the same to innocent buyers. After demolition of old structure on the said plot, accused number 2 and accused number 3 illegally constructed 5-storied building comprising of 9 flats during the year 2004-2005 and sold the same by deceitful means to different buyers in the garb of being authorized construction. It is further alleged that accused number 2 and 3 entered into a criminal conspiracy and accused number 1, being public servant, did not take any action regarding booking, sealing and demolition of unauthorized structure. There are 4 complaints including the complaint made by SHO PS Sakarpur regarding unauthorized construction. Accused number 1 did not take notice of the same. Accused number 1 did not initiate any action against accused number 2 and 3 for construction of authorized 5 flats on property number D15 Sakarpur, Delhi. Void letter dated 12/5/2007, executive engineer intimated regarding unauthorized construction without sanctioned building plan. It is alleged that accused number 1, being public servant, violated the directions issued by MCD by issuing various circulars and orders. It is case of the prosecution that unauthorized construction was carried out at B53 Sakarpur, Delhi, which was earlier in the possession of accused number 2 and 3, who have constructed buildings comprising of 9 flats at B53 Sakarpur, Delhi. It is further alleged that those flats were sold to innocent buyers by accused number 2 and 3. It is a case of prosecution that property number B53 Sakarpur, Delhi was purchased by accused number 2 and 3 in the year 2004. Old construction was demolished by the 2 accused persons and they started construction at B53 Sakarpur, Delhi in the month of August 2004 through contractor Muhammad Israr. As per prosecution, it was the duty of the JEB to take an action under section 344 and 343 of DMC Act 1957, but since Ramkumar Singh A1, the then JEB in charge of the ward, entered into criminal conspiracy with accused number 2 and 3, failed to take any action against accused number 2 and 3. It is case of prosecution that during investigation it was revealed that accused number 2 and 3 did not inform the purchaser that the flats were constructed illegally without any sanctioned building plan. It is further revealed that there was violation of various circulars, standing orders issued by MCD from time to time by accused number 1. On completion of investigation, charge sheet was filed before the court. Copies of documents were supplied to the accused persons in compliance with provisions of section 207 CRPC. Stop.